What is your name?
I am Maria Grace.
Maria Grace.
Yeah.
My name is Arkad from Dubai.
Welcome here in Bohol.
Thank you so much. By the way, you guys have a very beautiful province. There's no traffic here. Yeah.
Thank
Why is that?
you. I don't know.
Yeah,
Maybe
no,
this is not yet a city.
Like a big city, right?
Yeah.
What do you do here?
I'm a student, a nursing
Oh,
student here
Nursing student. What school?
at the college.
Which is that?
Yeah, over there.
Okay. Tayo pa na ani?
Ayo, kaya ba ko, Bisaya? Ayo, kaya ba ko, Bisaya?
Oo, kung bisa man.
Ikaw, Kuya Hamad.
Very Grace. Asa ka pa dong?
Muli na.
Muli na ka? Okay, okay. Sige, we're going this way. The vlog,
You're vlogging.
Yeah. Say hi to vlog.
Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Wala, na-prank na ko.